birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, hooray. It's your birthday, hooray. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, la 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday, la 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday, la 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday, la 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 la. Happy birthday to you.
Nakikita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na, para safe tayong lahat sa COVID-19. Happy birthday! Kahit ganito yung nangyayari ngayon, I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo, and God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Thea. Sorry hindi ako umabot dyan sa special surprise birthday celebration ng dibo mo. Sinabi ko na lang kay paring Mark na paproxyan niya ako dyan sa kakambal ko na si Iyo para dyan sa 18th roses mo ha. Total ikaw naman nagsasabi na magkakulay kami niya ni Iyo, di ba? Well, kidding aside, happy birthday ulit. Wishing you more birthdays to come. And I'm looking forward to see all of you, my friends, yung kompleto. Alam mo na yun. Happy birthday ulit. And I'll see you when I see you. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Thea. Wish ko sa birthday mo na matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa pamilya, especially sa mga kids. Naway bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord. Mga another 100 years. Stay healthy.
Hello from Croatia and happy 50th birthday to you, my dear friend Thea. Ano nga ba? Iniisip ko kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa iyo. As much as possible, I would like to make this very short kasi ayoko mabore yung mga bisita mo dyan. But anyways, my wish for you is always good health now that you enter the golden year. Sabi nga nung t-shirt ko, sinuot ko talaga to for your celebration. I'm this old. So ganito na tayo katanda. And that means also that we've known each other for 30 years now. And as friend, more than 25 years. Kasi nga, 1995 nung nagkakilala tayo nung college. And yes, my wish for you on your birthday is for you to be happy and live the prime of your life and bawasan na lahat ng sobra. Syempre, good health lagi. And yes, of course, more love from your loved ones, from your kids, from your family, and of course, from Mark at sa mga kaibigan mo dyan. Okay? Kita-kits tayo pag nakauwi ako. Bye-bye! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Teya. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Aloha! Greetings all the way here from Hawaii to my friend Thea. Wishing you a happy birthday. May your birthday be filled with love, joy, and happiness you bring to others. I miss you and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Madam Thea. I'm wishing you a good health, more blessings, more money, and no more RC. Enjoy your day. Tatak na!
Happiest birthday, Madam Thea. More blessing and God bless. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hi, Maring Teng. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. All wishes come true. Good health to you and everything. Kahit di man tayo nakikita palagi, but the friendship is still there. Happy birthday. I love you, girl. I miss you na, girl. Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo. Love you.
Hi Kambal, Retos, sabi nila kamukha daw kita. Pag nagkita tayo.
Alam mo si Pekto, no? Kambal ko daw siya. Hello, Thea. How you doing? I know, it's your birthday today at nabanggit sa akin at magse-celebrate ka ng birthday mo. Kung saan man yan, sigurado bonggang-bongga yan. Si paring Mark pa ba? Anyway, happy birthday to you and success to your career at iyong pagiging mother. I know you're the best there is. And I miss you, Thea. Everybody misses you. At may babati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Sigurado ko, inaabangan mo to. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Dali.
Happy birthday
Happy
po.
birthday. Ayan yung mga kambal ko ngayon. Ayan na sila. Ayan, lalaki na. Di ba? Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Surprise! Hi, Thea. Wala na naman ako, no? Sorry hindi ko kasi talaga maiwan yung mga alaga ko. Ang dami-dami na nila ngayon. Anyways, happy blessed 50th birthday, Thea. Ang wish ko, sana marami ka pang birthday na isi-celebrate at sana isa sa mga birthday na isi-celebrate mo na yun, nandoon na ako. Second, syempre hindi na tayo tumatanda. Ingatan mo lagi sana ang sarili mo. And third, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, i-enjoy mo ang gabing ito dahil ang gabing ito ay para sa'yo. Happy birthday uli. I love you. Bye!
Thea, happy birthday. Stay safe, stay healthy, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Thea. Happy 50th birthday. Reminiscing our Meralco days na parang kahapon lang. Pero ito, second debut mo na pala. No? Thank you for the friendship, Lola. No? And on behalf of Don, we wish you good health and more fruitful years ahead. Let's catch up soon, ha? Pero for now, enjoy the celebration. Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Ate Thea. Enjoy your day and wish you good health and happiness. Have a blast. Miss you. Take care.
Hello, Donya. Happy birthday. You know, as I was thinking about your birthday, my mind drifted back to our time together at the Meralco Escada. Wow, almost 21 years, right? It feels like yesterday we were grabbing lunch at the canteen and sometimes sumasama tayo sa mga Escada boys sa Aling Nena. Buhay pa ba yun? Those were sometimes. Well, I'm incredibly grateful for a genuine friendship. You are one of those all rare people who are always there, always supportive, and always ready to help. Even though we're not working side by side at SCADA anymore, our friendship has always been something special to me. Distance and different path haven't changed that. and that something I really treasure. So I'm sending you all the best wishes for a truly wonderful birthday and a year filled with happiness, good health, and also the things you're working towards. I hope we can catch up soon. Susulpot na lang uli ako dyan. Thank you, Mark, for giving me a chance to send her a video message for reminding me about it. Again, happy birthday, my friend. Hug and kisses to the kiddos and always take care and God bless. Love you. See you soon.
Hi, Thea. Happy 50th birthday to you. Sayang wala kami dyan. Andito ngayon si Sander, si Kyrie, si Kinkinator, si Mama dumalaw dito, si Sai sa tulog pa. I wish you the best and happy ako sa friendship natin ever since hindi ka nagbago. Huwag mo kakalimutang uminom ng gatas bago matulog at ng vitamins at huwag ka nagpapapawis, dapat magpapalit ka ng damit. That's my advice. Love you. God bless your family. Happy birthday.